spending money into something that is going to help improve your business, you are making a business investment, and inevitably that is going to lead to the growth of your business. Hey babes, I'm Miss Mila Rose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very informative video for you babes, so if you've been missing these kind of videos, I am back with another video. Today we are talking all about investments. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So what is an investment? An investment is when you're spending money on something in order to gain a return on that something. So for example, I purchased a brand new camera. It's a higher quality camera than what I've been using. That is investing into my business so that I can produce higher quality videos and inevitably see a return on that purchase. This is one example of what an investment is, and why investments are important is because you are able to grow your business. Growth in a business is the opposite of stagnation, and stagnation is something you do not want in your business, because if you're stagnant in your business, then your income is going to be consistent, everything is going to be consistent, it's going to be flatlined. What you want in a business is growth. And one of the best ways to achieve this is through investing your own money into growing your business. Growth is expansion. Other examples of investments in your business might include purchasing camera equipment, lighting, software, taking a photography class, or any class that is going to better you in your business so that you're learning how to do new skills. Also paying for advertising or paying for someone to join your team to help you with things like advertising, photography, editing, anything of that sort. When you're spending money into something that is going to help improve your business, you are making a business investment, and inevitably that is going to lead to the growth of your business. So how do you go about making an investment in your business? Firstly, I would start out with journaling. Journal all of the investments that you've made to date and how those investments might have helped you grow your business. For instance, I've purchased 2 lights within my career time, and they have helped improve my lighting so much, which has led to the increase of video sales for myself. If my lighting was as poor as it was before the investment of these 2 lights, people wouldn't be buying my videos as much as they are now, because the lighting was so bad before I bought these lights. Another investment that I made were a couple of cameras, higher quality cameras than what I'd previously been using. I started out using the camera that was built into my laptop. Eventually I upgraded to a little webcam. Both of these were awful video qualities, and also the audio quality was substantially horrendous. So again, all of these investments into my camera equipment, my lighting, these increased the sales of my videos. So I was able to grow my business, increase my monetary income every single month, and that is something that you can journal. What have you been doing in the course of your career to make investments, and where have you seen growth in those investments? Step number 2, I would look into every aspect area of your career, your business, and try to figure out and find those gaps where you can see you can make massive investments, massive improvements to grow that aspect of your business. So be it the quality of your lights, the quality of your camera, the quality of your audio, your environment. Can you invest into the decorations or the setup of your space? Makeup, temporary tattoos, jewelry, things that are going to help your appearance stand out, or even dyeing your hair if you're trying to go for a specific brand. Journal and contemplate all of these aspects in your business, your career, that you can grow the most, that you see the most potential for growth. Step number 3, create a budget for every one of these categories. How much is it going to cost you to invest in your lights? How much is it going to cost you to invest in the camera? Any of these categories that you can see massive room for improvement, figure out how much it's going to cost you to invest in these categories. And you don't have to go all out either. You can go for the next best thing that is really going to improve that category. So for instance, if you're starting out with a webcam computer on your laptop for video and audio, you might not want to be spending $10,000 on a camera unless you have the money to invest into it. Because what is true is that money is a numbers game, and investing is just going to multiply. So if you purchase the next best thing for your camera, something that's going to be affordable, it is just going to multiply your growth and your income, and you can invest further into upgrading your camera more. I hope that makes sense. So start slow and make smaller investments into your business. Watch your growth multiply and make sure that you're putting away some money every single month to invest in your business further. You can do this one of two ways, or these are two ways that I would do it. Either one, put away a percentage of your monthly income every single month into your investments for your business. Or two, create yearly goals for yourself to invest into your business. Have an Amazon wish list and decide all of these things in your wish list you are going to invest into for 2023. Or you can create an Amazon wish list and you can make your budget, so you're putting away a percentage of your income every single month into your investments. Figure out which category you want to invest into next, and then based on the budget that you have and the earnings that you are making, save enough to make the investment and purchase whatever it is that you need to invest in this category in your business for that growth. And know that whatever investment you are making, it is going to grow your business if you're investing in the proper areas of your business. So again, some very easy examples depending on what it is that you're doing. For me, it would be the quality of my video, the quality of my audio, my lights, my environment. Can I improve my environment by adding decorations, changing my bedding, changing my curtains, or whatever background that you're seeing? Can I invest there? Do I want to invest into more cosplay costumes for some more characters to do? Anything like that for me would be an investment. Personally, I love using the Amazon wish list to create my budget. I just create wish lists for every single category, and for the categories, I just do it by room. I say my workroom or my office space, and then my work bathroom, and I just throw everything that's supposed to be in that room into that wish list, everything that I want, and I make a total. I figure out how much that wish list is going to add up if I purchase everything on that wish list, and then I create a savings goal for myself and figure out when my goal is for purchasing everything on this list. And of course, I might make revisions on this list because maybe I invested too much for this savings goal, or maybe there's some wiggle room that I can throw something out and put something else in that I really want more and think it's going to invest into my business a lot more than that other thing that I put in. I love Amazon wishlist so much. Even if I'm not going to be purchasing everything off of Amazon, it gives me a really good idea of how much everything is going to cost in one place. So you don't have to make investments into your business all the time, but I would definitely be setting aside at least some money to your business regularly and consistently to improve and invest into your business for continuous growth. If your business is not growing, then your business is stagnant and you're not going to be seeing higher monthly revenues. You're not going to be living out the potentials of your business. Personally, I want my business to consistently be growing, and I never want to see stagnation with my business. The only time that there's stagnation in my business is when I'm working behind the scenes to create those investments that are going to be rolling out in the future. And again, I've said this before, but there's always going to be like a wave. So once you're putting in that effort, you're not going to be seeing any return on that effort. Even in the investments that you're making, you're not going to see a return until sometime after you've already launched everything and put everything into play. So say you purchased a brand new camera tomorrow and you started filming videos, you might not see the investment until months later. So keep that in mind also, and know that the investment will come with time, that you will see the return on that investment that you purchased. So the one takeaway from this video is that investments are fundamentally important for the growth of your business, and it is the #1 thing that I think helps to increase your monthly revenue. I really hope this video has been very helpful and very informative for everyone watching. Investments is something that I swear by, and I know that it will help any of you entrepreneurs out there, especially if you're a content creator. So definitely try out some investments for yourself and see how they work for you. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, turning on that notifications button on, and I'll see you babes again next time with another video. probably another informative one. I'm going to stay off of cosplay for a little bit to give you guys some great tips, advice, information, all of that stuff to help you better your business, your career as a content creator, entrepreneur, and help you succeed along your journey. So with that being said, stay tuned for Friday for another informative video just like this one. Bye for now, till next time.